Have you ever noticed a charge on your bank statement that you didn't make? That sudden drop in your stomach? In a world where digital transactions are the norm, the risk of fraud or unauthorized activity on your bank accounts is a constant worry. Whether it's a suspicious email, a strange phone call, or an actual unauthorized withdrawal, knowing exactly what to do and who to call can be the difference between a small headache and a major financial crisis. If you bank with EverBank, knowing their protocol for reporting fraud or suspicious activity is one of the most important things you can do to protect your money. Swift action is your best defense. So, let's walk through the exact steps you need to take if you suspect something is wrong with your EverBank account. First and foremost, the most crucial action is to report the activity immediately. Do not delay. EverBank is committed to safeguarding your accounts, and they need to know right away to investigate and help protect you from liability. The primary and quickest way to report any unauthorized activity on your account is by phone. For general unauthorized activity on your account, or if you have a lost or stolen debit card, you should call their main security line, 1-888-882-3837. This line is often staffed 24/7 for urgent security concerns. Now, if the suspicious activity involves a lost or stolen credit card, the number you call depends on when your card was opened. If your credit card was opened in 2025 or later, call 1-800-558-3424. If your credit card was opened prior to 2025, the number is 1-800-738-2615. It's a good idea to save all these numbers in your phone right now. When you call, be prepared to provide them with as much detail as possible. This includes the date and amount of the suspicious transaction, where it occurred if you know, and any other relevant information. The more descriptive you can be, the faster they can act. Beyond the immediate phone call, keep an eye out for other channels you might need to use. If you received a suspicious call, text, or email claiming to be from EverBank, this is known as phishing. Do not respond, click links, or open attachments. Report the incident directly by calling that main security number, 1-888-882-3837, to verify if the communication was legitimate. EverBank will never initiate a call asking you to provide your full account number or passwords over the phone. As a best practice, always check your account alerts and statements regularly. If you haven't already, sign up for custom account alerts in your EverBank online banking to receive notifications about balance changes, transfer activity, and unusual spending. It's your first line of defense. In summary, if you spot unauthorized activity, call the appropriate number immediately. For general accounts or lost debit cards, it's 1-888-882-3837. If it's a credit card, use the specified credit card hotlines. Protect yourself by being vigilant and acting fast. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.